Updating your billing address on TDECU is a straightforward process that can be completed online or through customer service. Follow these steps to ensure your address is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your TDECU account. Visit the TDECU website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is typically found in the main menu or under your account overview. Step 3. Select Billing Address Update. In Account Settings, look for an option related to personal information or billing address. Click on the option to update your billing address. Step 4. Enter your new address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new address, save the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email. Make sure to check for this to verify that your address has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing address with TDECU. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer service for assistance.